Tell the woman $50 what he said.
I bet or not you, bet or not. And the customer is this show.
Stop for you.
Wait, stop it.
Oh, that's man. Dealer. What the dealer? Call the dealer. On double trafficator.
I see.
On double trafficator. God did.
Hello, good evening. You're welcome to Black Swan Autos and Universal Dave Autos Nigeria Limited.
Take part.
We offer you the best services, the best cars. Our cars are from brand new to direct to Kumbo to sharp used vehicles. So when you come here, you know that you're rest assured you're getting the best.
Now sharp auto on the save for here.
Sharp.
But you don't confirm our money will send.
Yes. Your
take pada. Open the boot and the bonnet. Which year be this?
Which year 2010 C300.
What
black
year?
on black interior, 2010 model.
I don't know money for pardon. I don't know money for motor.
Wait the year for year.
Okay, this is
okay. Now the car.
February.
What's the horsepower? How many horsepower again?
About 385 horsepower.
Oh, yeah,
depending on the driver.
Where they bring the key? This is the testament that God is good. If dealer, bring the key. Now the key. What's the worry now? What's the worry you?
Oh, see I put money.
How much your woman drop last week? See, now Tuesday you go drive. I don't write the timetable before I come here. Must
No.
Now Wednesday, now you go drive. Now me want drive first. How much your woman drop? Go enter the motor now. On double drive, get up for me. Hello, I just buy my first key. It's there, abi. No, fuel not there. We'll soon chance now. We all follow that shortcut where police not see us. Now Tuesday, I want to go meet my babe. Babe. I just got my first key.
Our room Sweden, only two people they did the room.
Alpha, you never check the $50. Now pay for the room.
Who be all these people?
Our family will be one hour. One hour. Alpha, you check that $50 now. You guys should take your ice cream. Give the ice cream. Give the ice cream.
I don't understand. You brought us here just street
ice cream now. Which one be say?
I don't want. This is no ice cream. What was it to matter? This is no ice cream. This is street ice cream now.
Let's say they don't know say matter as AC not good. The AC used to affect skin, no?
You just brought us here because of just street ice cream. Let's go inside.
You don't want to natural.
No. Let me tell you, I'm giving you street ice cream because the money is from the streets. So just bear with us. These people they don't have good products.
I don't want.
You don't have to lick the ice cream.
No, if it's this one, I don't want. Let's go.
Let's go now.
Street ice cream. Let's go.
Not be say she's a bit cream safe. Mogo carry a shower for Mego. Na me dey drive. Na me dey drive.